Most foreigners don't eat pigtails, right? I got ingredients for 3 home-cooked dishes. For just $1, 11.84. You're definitely prey. This recipe, once you see how to make it, I'll cook fish, tofu soup, stir-fried zucchini, and the highlight is tender braised pigtails. As a working single mom, I can make delicious family meals with cheap ingredients, super easy, even for cooking newbies. Do you eat pigtails in your country? The full detailed recipe is later. Don't swipe away. I came grocery shopping with my mom today. The supermarket is packed with people on weekends. I am heading to the meat section to pick pigtails for dinner. Lots of foreigners barely eat pigtails, but braised pigtails are super popular and tasty here. Pick even, thick pigtails with firm meat. They turn tender after braising. Fresh pigtails are covered with tiny fine hairs. It's such a hassle to clean them thoroughly at home. I asked staff to burn off all the hairs with a torch. High heat removes fishy smell and germs. They also cut them into small sections for me. Super convenient. It costs 55 RMB total. Only 8.15, really budget friendly. These prep-dead pigtails just need slow braising at home. They'll be tender and fall off the bone. Do you eat pigtails in your country? Stay tuned for my full braised pigtail recipe. This vegetable is zucchini. Have you ever tried it? I picked 2 big ones for 4.8 yuan, 71 cents. After picking veggies, I head to the seafood section for a Crucian carp. Carp soup is full of nutrition. It nourishes the body and is great for kids' brain development. The supermarket offers great service. They'll cut and clean the fish thoroughly after I pick it. I can cook it directly when I get home. I've picked everything: pigtails, zucchini, Crucian carp, tofu and a Gaussian milk. For my kid, it brought eBay RMB, which is around 14 United States dollars and 82 cents. Let's see how much money is left after checkout. All ingredients add up to RD yuan, equivalent to $11.84. I took 100 yuan, 美元14.82 with me, and I have 20 yuan left after checkout, which is just $2.96. It's nearly impossible to make 3 family dishes for merely $11.84. Overseas, I'm going home to cook now. The full cooking tutorial is in the second half of this video. Keep watching if you want to learn how to cook them. To make tender, odor-free braised pigtails, never skip the cleaning steps. Rinse off surface dirt under running water first. Then scrape grime off the skin. Back and forth with a knife.
Oh.
Mom is cleaning the pigtails while I prepare seasonings. I'll show you a fast way to peel garlic without hurting your nails. Wash dirt off garlic first. Smash them flat with the back of a knife, and the peels come off easily.
Not sure.
We're making braised stir-fried pig tails. Prepare ingredients beforehand. Garlic ginger slices, cinnamon, bay leaf, dried chili peppers, and citron peppercorns. The pigtails are cleaned and drained. Heat oil in the pot. Fry ginger and garlic until fragrant. Toss in spices on low heat to bring out aroma and get rid of fishy smell. Add pigtails and stir fry on high heat till the surface turns golden. Pour dark soy sauce for even coloring. Don't add too much, or it will look too dark. Transfer everything to a pressure cooker. Pour water to cover the pigtails. Then cook for 45 minutes. It turns tender and easy to fall off the bone. Pressure cooker saves lots of time. Keep watching to see how eye-catching and soft.
뭐 사오지.
Wash the zucchini thoroughly and slice them evenly. Then put slices in a bowl. Sprinkle a little salt and marinate for 10 minutes. Salt draws out excess water, so zucchini stays crisp while stir-frying. Rinse and drain well after marinating. Heat oil in the wok. Toast garlic and green peppers to fry until fragrant as a zucchini as stir-fry. On high heat to keep its crisp texture. Season with proper salt and stir evenly. Pour a small amount of water and simmer briefly. Dish it out when the sauce thickens slightly. This simple stir-fry zucchini is light and refreshing. Perfect with braised pigtails. Stay tuned for more cooking steps later in the video. First, clean the Crucian carp thoroughly. Remove blood and blade membrane to avoid the fishy. Most people fry the fish before cooking soup for richer flavor, but I skip frying today. My mom and kids get inflamed easily from fried food, so I cook it in a lighter way. Put the fish in the pot with ginger slices. Pour boiling hot water. Hot water helps the soup turn milky white fast, while cold water won't work. Well, simmer on medium-low heat. Add soft tofu when the soup turns pale white. Keep simmering until the soup becomes thick, milky white. Then it's ready to serve. This nutritious, light soup is great for kids. Fry the fish first if you don't mind getting inflamed. Stay tuned for more cooking steps later. Pour the braised pigtails into the wok. Add a little MSG. Then simmer to thicken the sauce. I can teach you how to cook authentic Chinese dishes. Would you like to be friends with me?
是啊，可能。这挺好的。
好的妈妈，
先看你娘耶，是应该吧？素味。
怕什么？他会。
吃一口这个。咬一点。是。
I've shared the whole process today. From shopping and cleaning ingredients to cooking every dish, tender braised pigtails, refreshing zucchini, and creamy fish soup cost only 80 yuan total, which is 11.84. As a working single mom, I love making healthy, tasty dinners for my family with cheap local groceries. Prices here are really affordable. Comment down below what home-cooked Chinese food you want me to make next, like this video and subscribe to my channel to get new updates. Thank you for watching. See you next time.